Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to browse the internet using Proton VPN on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Proton VPN app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When you first use the app, iPhone will ask for permissions to add VPN configuration. Tap Allow and enter your iPhone passcode or Face ID. This allows Proton VPN to protect your internet connection on Apple device. After logging in, you will see a Connect button. Tap Quick Connect to connect automatically or choose country server manually from the list. Once connected, you will see a VPN connected on the screen. Now open Safari, Chrome or any browser on your iPhone. You can browse websites, social media, videos and apps. Your internet traffic is now encrypted and secure. When you are finished browsing, go back to the Proton VPN app. After that, tap Disconnect. You can turn it on or off anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to browse safely using Proton VPN on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.